Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've done a dedicated recipe video, but this one is like a game changer for your meal prep. No matter what diet you're doing. Are you calorie counting? Are you low carb like me? Are you keto? It doesn't matter. This recipe needs to be on your meal plan weekly so that you can set yourself up for some amazing meal prepped chicken. I make this every single week. The full recipe will be linked down in the description box, so just follow along here and then you can grab that at the end. But you're gonna need 1.5 pounds of chicken. That is what I'm using today. I'm using chicken breast. No bone, no skin, just chicken breast. Any big pieces I do slice in half so that they are a little bit thinner so they're easy cooking, easy grilling. And then all you're gonna need is olive oil and a couple spices. We need salt, we need pepper, onion powder, oregano or Italian seasoning, paprika, garlic powder. That is it. And I know what you may be thinking. What? How can that be good? Trust me when I say this will be the most juicy, succulent, delicious tasting chicken that you will ever eat in your life, no matter how you cook it. You wanna bake it, you wanna air fry it, you wanna grill it, you wanna pan fry it, whatever you wanna do, just make it. And then tell me down in the comments how much you love it. And as if this couldn't get any easier, you're literally gonna take a little dish and for our 1.5 pounds of chicken, you're gonna do 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you're gonna add in 1 teaspoon each of all the other spices. And that, my friends, is it. Let's do it. Okay, then I've got a little storage bag. I've rolled it down so that we can keep things as sanitary as we can. I'm gonna open it up and put it into like a little dish. This is just a plastic dish that I have, just in case anything leaks. Then we're gonna take our olive oil into the bag. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon just in the bottom, just because this will help coat all of the chicken. And then one by one, let's get our chicken in. Now, 1 more tablespoon of olive oil goes on top. And then before I add in any spices, I'm gonna just give this a little zhuzh. And now, we're gonna go in with our spices. Carefully add in about, I would say half. Give it another mix. And then pour the rest in. Then, we're going to open up the bag all the way. See how it's all nice and clean on top. Seal it up, the air is fine. Now we're gonna shake it. Then, take the air out, close it back up, and now this can get refrigerated. I would marinate this for at least 2 hours, but 2 hours is enough. I've done it before, just as much flavor, you're good to go. If you wanna do this the night before, that's also good. This can also sit in the fridge for like 2 days. This is the most easiest, perfect marinade. It's foolproof, it works every single time, and it makes for the best, juiciest chicken ever. Anytime you see me on Instagram eating grilled chicken, it is this recipe. Make sure you're following me over there too for daily tips and recipes and food and everything. I'm gonna pop this into the fridge and then grill this later. You can eat this just the way it is. Make yourself a grilled chicken sandwich. Eat some grilled chicken with some veggies. It's perfect the way it is. Could also make it into a bowl. Top it with some spicy mayo like I like to do. Put this in a pasta recipe. Perfection. Any way you wanna use this chicken, it will work. Trust me. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you do like recipe videos, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments and I'll see you really soon with my next one. Bye guys.